walking around and it was sunny out, and then all of a sudden now some like bit darker clouds is overcast. They're calling for rain today, and I'm in this park here, okay? So I'm glad that you are joining me today. I'm going to walk around, and I'm just going to go up and around here. I'm actually not sure where I'm going to go. And I hope I don't get stuck in the rain, but I do have an umbrella with me. But you know, it was warm, and now because of the clouds coming up, it's kind of cooled off. Look at all the cones on the ground. Better not be any tornadoes, right? It's tornado season down the States. It's May, it's like the worst month. This is a dead end up here. Who knows what this is? Look, they're doing some work up here. Look at that huge house there. Better not end up in a dead end. Wow, God, the house is huge. Look. Beautiful homes. I've never been up here. Isn't that nice? Look, I have this flowered shirt on today for spring. Nice spring, and this flowered bracelet as well. There's a black and white cat going across the road there. Wow, look at the work they're doing. This house here. Birds are chirping. Look at this pink tree. So what are you guys doing? Anything fun? You have to get creative to think of new ideas of what to do. Also, if you're enjoying this video, you can like it, share it, subscribe to my channel as well. Hook up straight there. It's building there. Walking around the neighborhood. Look at this like cluster of trees here. There's that cat who saw he snuck out. So I'm picking that tree too. Look at the sky. It's like storm clouds, are like tornadoes coming, but it's not. Oh my God, there's like no sidewalk up here. And there's a bush here, like these hedges. It's actually dangerous to walk here. car could come tearing around. Oh, somebody like threw some clothes in the bush. Wonder what they're doing there. Look. Let's go up here. Never been up the street. Look at this yard. It's like all by itself. Oh my god. Is that a park? I didn't know this was here. Well, I guess that would make sense. I've never been on the street. Wow, look. I was going to say it looks like a huge space. There's different houses there. Yeah, let's go out in this park, guys. I don't even know the name of this park. Playground. Let's go sit on this bench. I have my purple umbrella with me. I don't need it right now, but look at the sky. It looks like it could. They're calling for rain. And I didn't check the hourly weather to find out when they're having the rain. Okay, I'm gonna sit here. There's kids playing in the playground. Sitting here relaxing. Should I get my water out? Ah, good. Put my camera down for a minute. You guys can look at whatever it's showing, the ground. And what I got here too, my sunglasses. Looks like I don't need them right now, but look, I put them on. Oh my god. And then it's just everything looks different. With them on, things look... I can explain. The sun is a little bit... Well, look at... The sun's trying hard to come out again, but look at the clouds just spreading with the darker clouds. I like never leave without an umbrella. There's a lot of dandelions in this park. If you can see that, look. I'm gonna end this video now, okay? Bye for now.